Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I'm going to show everyone that how can we use NMAP. So NMAP basically is a kind of a command that we can use the weakness of we can use this NMAP command for know the weakness of our any of our networks. So then we can attack by the base of their after know about their weakness and so many other things also we can understand and know uh, from our nmap. So for the first of things I'm going to show you from my video a few techniques, a few uh, practical test from this video by using my nmap command. So for that I have to be writing here net discover. So net discover. So net discover, this command will help us to find out our networks from our host. So if I press enter, so it will make counting for finding our networks. And by the base of our networks, we can use nmap command with our uh, already uh, uh, already shown networks from our display. So here is we have our first network and this IP address is 192.168.254.1, and here from here we will find MAC address, okay, and IP address. Okay, so I don't need to spend more times, because if I spend in here more times it will take 5 or 6 minutes or less than a little bit. So we will get our all networks IP address. So I just click on here, Control C, abort this process. So from at, at the moment I'm going to use my nmap command. Okay, so here is my nmap, and I have my uh, IP address, one of my networks. So I'm just using this 192.168.254 dot, and here is one. If I click enter on here, so we will get more information from our this network IP address. So after commanding this nmap 192.168.254.1, so from here we will get some information about this IP address, and here is our some vulnerability. So with this vulnerability uh, we can make our attacks on this network address. So it shows us with our state and service that MSRPC, RTMP, IRC, those are very weak service. So after knowing their weakness, we can do some attacks on this IP address. Okay, so if I have to write these same commands for all of our networks, because from my beginning of this video, I didn't give so many so long time to my process to find out my all networks. So I just abort my processing time at the middle of the point. So if I write on here like this, nmap 192.168.254 dot, like this way, then it will help us to finding all networks from our systems with their vulnerability. Okay, so it will take a little bit times from here. So after doing this command, so the process is now showing to us that uh, the same thing, 192.168.254.1, it is some vulnerability, so we know that. And our another host, our another network name is address is 192.168.254.1. it's a number two number host, another host. It has no vulnerability. It's a good. And here is another network 254, no vulnerability. And we have 128, no vulnerability. So we got from here only four network IP address from here. Okay, so at this moment, if I write on here like this, nmap space hyphen capital letter O, and then if I write on here 192.168 dot 254 dot right on here 1. With this command, this is also a same command. If we using O, it will also help. It will also help to us with give some more information with details about our specific network. So the same things we got some vulnerabilities for our this IP address and with some more details information. Okay, so NMAP is always helping us. This command is always helping us to discover uh, the vulnerability, the weakness, and so more, and finding networks from our systems by using this nmap, and it has a lots of commands. So if you want to know, because it's need to every commands need to be practiced for concept clear, so we have to be right on here like this nmap. Just a second please. Nmap space hyphen h. If you write on here like this nmap will give us every uh, options, every commerce option, because we use on here from O, we can get from here O. Where is O? Just a second please. Here is OS direction. So hyphen O, it means that enable OS direction, operating system direction. The same thing we got. So you can use in here O, you can use in here T, you can use in here F, D, S, E, G. So it's all about to practice at your home on your, or like this way. Just write on here like this nmap space hyphen T hyphen O hyphen H, like this way. Thank you very much. So from this video we know how to use nmap on our systems, and how it will give us to return to us some more details information with vulnerabilities uh, with some specific networks what we will declare at that moment. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. See you next.